It's Rob Crowder, the president of barbecue, and guess what time it is? It's time to put the ribs on the grill. I've already done it, and look at the beautiful smoke that's coming off this green egg right now. Whenever I do my green egg and I use it for smoking, I like to layer the wood chips in there so that it's constantly, when the fire hits it or when the coals finally hit it, you'll have additional smoke throughout the entire smoking process. So come on over a little bit closer. I wanted to show you a couple of things. While I'm trying to get the temperature up to where I want it to go, I've got this bottom vent wide open, and I also have the top vent wide open. This gets the most amount of air to the green egg so I can get the temperature up. And if you look at the gauge right here, right now it's sitting on about, 175 degrees. I want to cook it between 250 and 275 degrees. That's my ideal temperature. So, as you can see, with 3 racks of ribs, that's all that's going to fit on there. And remember, there's 2 baby back ribs and 1 St. Louis style rib. Let me shut this back because you don't want to let the heat out. What we're going to do is every hour, we're going to actually come back and spray it with this. And probably after the 2nd hour, that's when I'm going to have the color the way I want it. I'm going to wrap it up in aluminum foil and put them back on there for at least 2 more hours. So, this is Rob Crowder in the Smokies world of barbecuing, and I'm the president of barbecue.